Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you temporarily deactivate your Twitter account so that you can reactivate it later once you decide to, then you came to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that very easily and very clearly. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now, of course, we're going to be using the X app for this process. So let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply search for X or Twitter right here to make sure you have the X or the Twitter app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to face no problems in this process. After that, of course, we go ahead and open Twitter and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, to start the process, we should go to settings. So first, tap here in the top left corner on your profile picture right here. You get this menu from the left side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on settings and support. That should be right there. And right under it, a list will pop up. From that list, tap on settings and privacy. And here we are on settings. Now here, tap on your account. That should be at the very top right there. And then right here, tap on deactivate account. Here is the option that you are looking for. So let's carry on from here. Tap there right there. And then you get more information here. You can read through all of these infos before you go ahead and deactivate your account. And after that, you can just tap on the red button that says deactivate. That should be at the bottom of all of these basically information. Here you should type in your password and tap on deactivate at the bottom right. Keep in mind that if you do not reactivate your account for 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. So make sure you don't forget about your account and to reactivate it before 30 days. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.